Scrappy friends. It's Kim back from Making Creative Memories in Time, and today I am here with you to propose a vote. So recently, we just released this Growing Up Extended collection where we have all of these bundles, and they came yesterday, and I am so excited for what came. I want to just give you a tease of the papers and the embellishments and let you vote for which collection you would like to see me create a page with first. So there's two collections that are geared more to little girls, and then the rest of the collections are either just general play collections or could be geared a little more to boys. So this first collection is called Hello Lovely, and I'm just going to do a quick look like this for you. You get 12 sheets, and let me fan them out for you. So these are the reverse sides. I am absolutely in love with this like vintage daisy look. Oh my god, I love that paper. It is so pretty. This is definitely heavily diva, and I had already scrapped some pictures of my great niece. That one was an extra. Somehow I ended up with one extra sheet in this collection, and I am just going to be thankful for that. And then there is a sheet in every collection that is like these little strips that you can cut apart. And then there is in every single collection a cut apart card sheet. So let's put that one on top so you can see the cut apart cards. So real quickly here, this one is called Hello Lovely, and this was the reverse side of that cut apart. And then here is a quick look at the embellishments. You get a little 20 pack embellishment. So this kit is called Hello Lovely. After I show them all, if this is what you want to see me work with, this kit is called Hello Lovely. And then moving on to the next collection. This collection is called Outdoor Play. And this one is fun because it can be for boy or girl. And I love it. It's got a little bit of everything in it. This is a super fun collection as well. And so these are let me show you the strip paper first. If I can find the strip paper. I did these as a live in my Facebook group last night, so they're not in any order. There's the strip paper, and I love that. And the reverse of it is this fun nighttime star. So you'll see that over here in just a second. This is like a water paper. And then that pool paper, hello, that's got my name written all over it. Like I am the queen of flamingo. For the people who know me in real life, I have flamingo artwork in my scrapbook room. Love it. That bold sunshine. Isn't that beautiful? I love that paper. This collection is just very youthful, very fun. And this one, again, is called Outdoor Play. This one is like asphalt. And there are some like sidewalk chalk embellishments. And that would work really good with that. And this is just outdoor, like collecting bugs and all of that fun stuff. This star is the reverse of this all stripe paper. And then here is your cut apart cards. And we'll put that one up on top so you can see that one after. And then you have the sand castles and the sand pails. So this collection is called Outdoor Play. And then here is a look at the outdoor play embellishments. There's that little sidewalk chalk, play the day away. Love it. And next up would be Rolling Good Times. Now, Rolling Good Times, typically you would think a boy, but now my great niece Liliana, she loves to play with like Matchbox cars. She has a little Matchbox track. And to be honest with you, I think it's because her daddy loves him. He loves all of that. I don't know that he's ever really outgrown that. And then here are your cut apart cards. And then you have this Ready, Set, Go paper. You have this arrow paper. I love this. It's like a caution tape paper. And then you have your checkerboard, but look at that, friends. It's like on a diagonal, so it's more like a diamond. And then you have the wheels, and you have these fun, like just doodled arrows on some red. And then you've got all the, like, the bike, the truck, the big wheel, the scooter. I love it. Love it. And then you have, this is just like a roadway. And then check it out. You have the track. I love it, friends. I love it. And then here is your paper. That is the stripe. And I think I'm upside down. And it's got, I have pictures, well, my mom does, of my brother playing with a early 80s actual metal Tonka dump truck. And I can't wait to get to my mom's old photos and pull those out and scrapbook them. And then there is just a cool polka dot. So this collection is called Rollin' Good Times. And if you want to vote for that one, and here are just some of the embellishments that are included in Rollin' Good Times. And then let's look at indoor play. So this is for outdoor play. Indoor play is themed a little more toward like rainy day game board, like playing with games. And here's just a real quick look at that. I really do hope you guys vote because I want to get started on this. I don't know that I'm going to be able to get started on it tonight. I have to be out of town. Actually, I'm going to see my little grandnephew tonight. So, but definitely I will get started on this weekend, probably Sunday. And then here is, it's just all of the game things like the spinners and the pieces and the die and the money. And I love that. It's like Uno cards. I love that. And then you have, this one is like a game board. And then the reverse side of that is an actual game board. Like, look at that. It sort of reminds me of Candyland. But it could, represent any game board. And I love, this is going to be fun to scrapbook with. And then there is this slinky. And the reverse side of that. How cute! Friends, how cute. And this one is called Indoor Play. And then your stripe paper is just all the fun things. Just all the fun things. Love these colors. And this coordinates beautifully with Growing Up. The collection. Growing Up. But I love this. And then here are your cut apart cards. And we have a Monopoly board. And then this one is very reminiscent of a Monopoly board. I love it. I really struggle with choosing which is my favorite, so that's why I want to give you guys an input and let you choose what we work with first. Okay? And then next up is Epic Adventures. Now, what I like about Epic Adventures is it can be a little more, like this one can be for boy or girl. I love it. So let's take a quick look. Close up here. Love the pirate. My high school mascot was a pirate. And then the Pirate's House in Savannah, Georgia is one of my favorite restaurants when I'm visiting in Savannah. So you have the little cowboy get up and some red stripe. You have some green, like chevron or rickrack stripe. Would you look at the camo dinosaur? Would you look? Like I'm in love with that. Roland has already he's got some like camo little sleepy, so I can totally use that to scrapbook some of his little sleepy pictures in his camo, because his dad's entire family are all hunters, like they're avid huntsmen. Love that. And then would you look at the little robot? How cute is that? This one will be perfect for little boys or little girls. And then you have this cute little yellow star paper. And on the reverse of that is your outer space. And then here is your stripe. And what I love about this stripe is it is just so fun. And it just perfectly coordinates with every single one of these little sheets. And then here's your superhero for the more boy collection. And you have your cards, your cut apart cards. And then you have your pirate sheet. I love it. Epic Adventures is what this collection is called. And let's take a real quick look at, I think we only have 2 collections left, friends, or maybe one collection left. And there are your a little sample of the embellishments for Epic Adventures. And then, yep, we just have one left. It's called Magical Moments. And it is geared a little more heavily toward a girl. The colors are a little more girly. You've got some mermaid scales. You've got some mermaids. You've got a little bit of like take on Harry Potter. Love it. It's just so cute. So let's do a quick look at this. So I have the cut apart cards already on top. And look at the little spaceships. I am in love. The little bitty, like that takes me all the way back to like the Jetsons. Love this. The color theme for this color palette is a little more girly, but that's okay. You could totally make the parts that are not so pink a little more boyish. Like you could totally make this boyish and just pair more blue and deep sea green with it. Dark sea green. And then you have that beautiful little like, look at this mermaid tail. I love this. And one of the embellishments is actually a mermaid tail, just like that. And then look at that pretty little gold piece of paper to go with that. And then you have the mermaid scale. I love it. And then you have this great stripe piece. This collection is just, I don't know, this one may be one of my favorites. And then you have the little Martians, and you have the little coat of arms, and you have the little Harry Potter ones. And then you have your little seashells for the mermaid stuff. I love this collection too. So you see, friends, why I'm asking you to help me vote. I really, in my heart, I feel like I know where I want to start, but I would love your input. And here's just a sample of those embellishments. I would 100% love your input. So our kits are Magical Moments, one more time. And then we had Indoor Play, Outdoor Play, Epic Adventure, Indoor Play, Outdoor Play, and Rolling Good Times. I don't want to forget. That one was Rolling Good Times. and then outdoor play, indoor play, and this one was called Hello Lovely. So give me a vote down below. And if anybody is interested in purchasing these, they're only $15 per bundle. And that includes the 12 pieces of paper and the 20-piece embellishment pack. $15. You can't beat that, friends. So give me a comment down below. Vote. Let me know which collection you want to see me work with first. Whichever collection gets the most votes, that's what I'm going to work with come Sunday, February 9th. So thanks, friends, for enjoying this fun little peek with me, and happy scrapping.